Ebusiama mema wakwa ba emfa umbra Ghana TV GH mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turning on notification also so that anytime I post a video bit say we are Usambeke. Ebusia, people are beginning to wake up, especially in Crophobia. They have some level of air influence. Or Ghana, they are beginning to wake up. Now, one of such people, Papa, your friend Martin Kpebu, lawyer Martin Kpebu. Now, lawyer Martin Kpebu there, I remember, say Ebrana NDC our position. There were hints, tips be say they intend to make Martin Kpebu the special prosecutor. Officer Kisi Jabine occupy, that's what they wanted to give to Martin Kpebu. And that is what allegedly people were saying. So I understood from there, say, the way na Martin Kpebu is criticizing Akufo Addo buying Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now him say he just wanted NDC to come to power so that they can appoint him as special prosecutor. Indeed, NDC ba power no. After they removing a Chief Justice, get retoko no. The next agenda on the list was to remove Kisi Jabin. Unfortunately, I said Ghanaians stood up and said, no. Wait there, penny. The office is too young. Why you do want to remove somebody now? And it has kind of left Martin Kpebu hanging. They say, Untiminya Attorney General because somebody is occupying that position. Dominica Ine is there. Untiminya Deputy, but Dr. Justice Remsa is there. OSP, so no. Kisi Jabin is there. And he maybe somehow is coming or returning to a neutrality. Let's assume say he's returning to neutrality. Now here is the catch. Martin Kpebu say, Sika say Abba say a loss. Emma or mine, and yes, small man ya idibedi agro. Debbie da. And the intimate say, oh, and yes, she, yen fanche, and we Debbie. Martin Kpebu see, Sika we dear, yen penema group of people be. The betro botoma, no mudi chisoloku, no mudi yes sugar that the sugar mommy, no mukwan, no mudi party, Debbie. Saskan, we must all trace it, go down to the root, and if possible, recover it. Operation Recover 1.7 billion United States dollars. And then Martin Kpebu, you owe Akufo Addo an apology. You owe Akufo Addo an apology. The way you vilified Akufo Addo, the way you badmouthed Akufo Addo, the kind of curses you people rained on Akufo Addo, and the people that you helped to come to power, Shedia Omuye, ECG, Aboka, Good Board, losses, Bank of Ghana, losses, almost all sectors, public sectors. You owe Ghanaians an apology and you owe Akufo Addo an apology. I will tell Akufo Addo when he gets to Nima, then you go and knock, then you come say, just as I am without one thing. Then you go and sing it and say, Lord, we gather at your altar. After everything, they say, Akufo Addo, my old body, Fachemi. You owe Akufo Addo an apology. And listen, everyone or anyone who helped NDC come to power, if you ever campaigned against Akufo Addo's government, this is a good time to ask for forgiveness. You should ask for forgiveness for misleading Ghanaians. You should ask for forgiveness for taking this nation back 20 years, 25 years. What else? Look at how our judicial system has become. I said there are two justice systems. Your party came to power. The people who were being prosecuted for causing financial loss to this state, this nation, all of them, Nama Falinole prosecute. Allow them to go home. Then some way, somehow, you say that your political opponent has stolen some money that you intend to recover. Till today, 18 months, how much have you been able to recover? Who have you been able to imprison? Say, we are on mine way sicker. Mention one person. Anything I may say, you owe this nation an apology. You owe your community an apology. We are Muslim, now you campaign for NDC in the Zongo, sir. You owe those people an apology. We are Christian, and you campaign in your house, in churches for NDC. You owe them an apology. You owe this nation and Akufo Addo an apology.
It is possible. The Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP Kisi Ankwanoma Ejaben, the Krata Beto Bontin say, Sami Jemfi Goldboard CEO allegations are making a tia a leader, Honorable Alexander Fenyo Kwame Namakins. No. Omahu Omate, Omahu say Ghana for cancer. Yenye Shishamu Fasa allegation, and in some bebrečo Bonafe so. Omasakra I received petition, joint petition from Ghana for Bimona. Once I received 2 other separate petitions. Ghana for Omochre OSP say, almost OSP say, onye Mumfa sa extortion allegation Sami Demfia make against leader Afenyon. Onya hu Mumfa moment. OSP say, then Saka Akrata and this is Omoko Ghana Mamrenim say. Mrama no ho kwan se as OSP otimi ehwehwe sa allegation ni ma ono so obedi akire no wahwehwemu akohu ba bia asem no korewo na Ghana fo so ato mo ase e de afa claims Sami Jemfi Goldboard CEO claim say Honorable Alexander Fenyo Kwame Namakins extortionist no wa hu no kure bia ewom de ama Ghana fo na asem yo beka na Ghana fo bi say de wunya nkwa na nkwa no ma hu adwuma de wunya nkwa nsem a wunya nkwa na nkwa no ma kisi aja be hu adwuma san say allegations se fa afanyo ho de ohun ha wo so ko hwese mra ma ho kwan aba be investigation na mom allegations se kotia NDC mpanimfo so mo ye galam say wo mo je bribe akese e wo Ghana say ene mpo Sami Jemfi wo Ghana eka 22 billion Ghana cedis no and the amount utrim se kwa zemra na ma ho kwa na ho kwa sa de ma ne de sa cases ni de amount utrim da se kwa ye investigation into those cases na mbom allegations se fa afanyo bin extortion is there and ye wo ha because afanyo de abem MPP ni di abem de wunya Ghana for pen wansam ne de won ka na no ya ne beto odwa se US court a convict kwa sante be ko bra president mama Ghana dum so many Ghana na president mama de abrante ejinem se onko ye do afa ye kane aho ye benya power ye betimi generate power e wo Ghana ye benya kane ye nkane ya besisu no abrante ye kwadi hu sika $1 million ni akire enye sika ketwa na amanfo bobo MPs ni bindi wom ni ministers ni bindi wom ni ade ne de ni nyina allegations ni nyina want sa corruption cases ni de kisi ajabia nkwa no maso wonti yo na mom ya afanyo market na afanyo ye MPP ni de ne hu ha okwasa mra na ma no kwa no sisi e hu kwa hwehwe mpa akopede de na kwa hwehwe akope e kana Sami Jemfi bo Ghana no kura de enye wasem eno de ma utirimu dampo say investigation into sa e kana wabo no na mom allegations are make your divert attention ne de en de hu ha wo kwa hwehwe makopede e de na wo kwa hwehwem akwakope adenti na mama state security state agencies BNI ni police any attorney general mo invite Sami Jemfi bi no mo nko bisa na mani nko prove since or where evidence bibi edi one dance say asem wo kana no kra ana mo friend say MPP ni and the court make allegations against liars Sami Jemfi sabre say nka mo ha makwachi nipa ne say o ma system mo nya investigation but because Sami Jemfi na allergy yeniti ene de mo nyina makwa no wa allergy mpo akasi supi akasi tuti say obi a okita na evidence but ene de enye masem attorney general so wanti Ghana police also wanti BNI for so want obianti yokonte obiante na mom yeso obi extortion dey na say when the first time mo make allegations against Afejo and na masa mama mo hungry food soldiers net one ba wo me be pam no ba wo me de be ko so MPP mu de mo afa ho be say ba wo me be maintaining as minority leader so maintaining no so be sesan no so on sesan no mo de masem ne say Afejo ti wona so ye ne me be ma MPP atno opposition 2000 years na momo na baso ma ne ne be ma MPP atna opposition 2000 na matna be ma afili ne mbom ade a wo ye bia ha mo afede ye be yi no mo bo mpa esi yi no o te one net watch na obi ani wo yi Afenyo be ko so aye de wo ye na ma mo hye mo sa mo pa mo nka de mo be ka bia no be sesa bia se bere no so na se ne dwumadi obedi ono de ba wie ya obi ani ne problem asada mo siti wa yenyi no so mo se de wo ye no ekotia mo but Ghana police BNI ye de ani hwemo Yoko attorney general ni nyina de ni dwamo president darling boy de friend man ma assist investigation but anteba de a enke be hu si
no friend no call girlfriend or boyfriend for one. Oh God. nyame fa akoma yare yankasa nto so de etutu ni bi eye wo ya saa wo benu penkila saa na wasa se no tim na wokọ na wahu jimi musori a mobeka nipa ho nsembone ene yete o mamu ha aho kira ba ma sese wota mo isi ma sheda won se wo de ayi wo machi me be ko egbo me ta mo amana bo 1231 me duro kwa so makope fufu bi adi na me da famu a anwuma no mape kokobia no maka no mada ntimi ni ditre na wokoka samije mfi asema na ahomaso eni nsu ade just say wa kasa ajije nimbi say the sister ma kan say o sika baako ena de man makeups no egum omo asa nipa na kasa na do so say yusu elankusa de akona essence misinformation and disinformation no the hina chewe na eye me dese Ghana fo afei omu nyina asore a enne na no na meka James Town asem na NDC ye public forum na boy age mic wo twabo mu wo manim mu ba mu mabua eno se mu ba na mo ba kede mu anu aba fefe oni ato aba mu mbua youth enne youth so mu pa adwumaye maye se wo ye ekwan dawo te se wini bakwan adenta to dodowa amasamai to ensewom growing omo jabo mo na bibi kitwa bitu osoro makwatwa yewura ma ha mo ye wo ye kwan enso sa time this time ya omamu ho no mo se Kowas road na Akufo Addo de enye one na eye bedu mahama so de mo nyambetu obi aka mo si big push deep ya na mo yare won dia na deep push na big push de ya na mo ya na sister ma we obeka kwa sasa much because mitimi say adwe no above from ade ye Kowas road I dey na mahama na big excavation big push de ka kire mo ne say Ghana for obi abagini bread food ye nyina ye guso oje sata mame yeka and the hospital okwa me say ye ma auto ade ba ko say ye see ye be lab test no wedi ka tua ye do so wedi ka tua just say ye hwe say first no obedi card obedi just say bibi obetua no 11111 ba bia osika beso no na si nanu mi wo ba bia no bi frem say bra. He said me buy yare na did am say what's the lab test almost 250 and soon almost be soon almost 300 just say and I'm saying no more money nyina nyo do boye nya wi no from na my busy was bra man first Caribbean come money it wouldn't at that moment request baby obenya bi da man because e ni pankwa ade na mama man no ye ho kire Musa abose mahama ke eno ese na eko sister ma ahokyere no agu Ghana ha ye ho kire ye enti atofo sen ne president omunje stikanengu na amanfo ntimi nto ade enne bayire untimi nto bayire emu a untimi nto me rapo up no enidaso ewo ho Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Bawumia ono na 2028 obetima baba hyehye oman no na onfa atro ene ahomaso mubusa na sema se na mubusa otimi to ne boase eyi ano no ye de enfa hantan kokofo ene kokofo yaje bread food ti tomatoes fo yaje bread food ye fredication fo so ne
Archbishop made us why, sir. They need it is part of you to make them.
Anyame amafo efoforo ba ye na de ne eba ye ntie na yesa na nyame.
Everyone is muted so. Mate made us. We have our no see where we be a.
De na make nyina ne say awofo na ka so betima tua mo school fees no. And the moment I can't say so, the banner quite didn't get 1,500 because my menti.
So you need your mood, you are pardon no moon to mentor.
Okay. It's me the man pedas.
Miss Medas, diabolic way.
Maybe them.
But your young.
Really meaning original DK fire. You're turning catch. Turning catch a pa. Original DK fire really a share. It's all catch. Meaning baby I share. It's what be dim the aquaba. About Nasi. Tenana Mekano.
You do me light. So if you are wondering you do me light. And so me me cast a doom saba peba chime. Yet say do me light.
Oh, but I don't know why the NDC have managed to gaslight Ghanaians like that. And then one so me yes citizens will go forward with 10 million or more than spectators.